I'm going to show you how I build a modern clothing website using only HTML and CSS. Okay. So by the end of this video, you understand every part of this code and how I built. By the end of this video, you understand every part of this code and how to build your own. Okay, so this is my HTML code, and also this is the CSS version of it. Okay, so to start with is the HTML document structure. So this is our HTML document structure. This tells the browser this is HTML5. It also helps to set the language to English, which helps search engine and accessibility. Okay. So we head on to our head session. So this whole space here is my head session. This highlighted space here is my head session. Okay. So let's take it one by one. We start by the meta chset. This allows special characters like emojis and symbols to be added to your code. Okay. So then we will move on to the meta name. This makes the website responsive on mobile devices. Okay, and also the page title. So the page title appears on the browser tab. So let's go and check it, how or where it's located. Okay, so this is my page title. So as you can see, McAfee's clothing as written in the code. This is the name. Okay, so let's move on to the CSS preset. So this is the CSS reset. This highlighted space is the CSS reset. So we move on to the body styling. So this highlighted space here is my body styling. And this is the HTML code and the CSS version of it. This whole space, this is the CSS version of it. Okay. So this place contains the light background, dark readable text, and gives a clean and professional look to your code or your website. So as you can see, let's run the code and see how the background is. So as you can see, this is the background of the site created. Okay. So we move on to the header navigation. The header navigation. For the HTML part, this is my header navigation. This whole selected part, highlighted part rather, is my navigation or header and navigation bar. So over here, is the CSS version of it. And this header navigation bar stays at the top even when you scroll. So you go back to the HTML code and run and see how it behaves. Okay, as you can see, this is our header navigation bar. It's not moving. It stands still at its position. So, okay. So back to the code. We also have the header navigation link. This, these are the header navigation links. They are located, oh sorry, they are located, they are also located on the header navigation bar. Let me show you. So here they are. The home, the products, and contacts are also located on the header navigation bar. So moving on to is the hero section. So this is my hero section. Okay, the hero section contains the introduction to the brand, display main message, and call to action, and also call to action button. So the brand, the age one, that says where your vibe, leave your star. Yeah, so this is the whole hero section of my code. It also includes images. And let's go to the code and see how it looks. The page, the website rather, and see how it looks. So this is it. This is the hero section. This whole page is the hero section of my website. Okay. So we move on to the product section. So this is the product section where items sold are located, are coded. So these are the image of the clothes that I'm selling. Yeah. So we move on to the site. Let me show you. So here are our collection, our clothes collections. So with their prices and stuff. Okay. So number 7. This is the button. We move on to the button, which is located in the CSS code. Okay. So this is my button. This is my button, as you can see. This is the button. Okay. I created one button class so I can reuse it across the site. So this is the button I created. Sorry. So moving on, we go to the contact section. So this is the contact section. This whole section contains the contact section where my address, my contact, my email are all located. Yeah, so this is the contact section. Okay. So the last but not the least is the footage. The footage. It contains the brand info, quick link, cate- categories, and stuff. Sorry. Design with flexbox for equal spacing. and also contains the copyright version. The copyright side shows the ownership and professionalism. So this is how I get my website. So this is the footage section of my site, and also this is the contact section of the site. Yeah. So so that is how I build a complete clothing website using only HTML and CSS. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and let me know what project you want next. Thank you very much.